Is your Arduino UNO not responding properly? Don't worry. In today's video, we'll learn how to identify the signs that your Arduino UNO is working correctly and explore some troubleshooting tips to fix common problems like power issues, port errors, upload failures, and connection mistakes. So let's get started and make your Arduino projects run smoothly. So here in the image, you can see the signs that UNO is working, and these are some of the troubleshooting tips. Now we'll see the signs that your UNO is working in detail. So here the signs that your Arduino UNO is working. Now these are the keys that confirm the Arduino UNO is working correctly after it has been connected to a computer and programmed successfully. The first sign is that the on LED glows continuously. That is, the power glows continuously, indicating that the board is receiving power through the USB cable or an external power supply. So here you can see, as soon as you connect the Arduino UNO to your computer, this LED should glow. Okay, it should glow continuously. It means that it is getting the power supply. Okay, next, second is the second sign is the Arduino UNO COM port appears under tools. Okay, here under tools port in the Arduino IDE, confirming that the computer has detected the board correctly. That is, you have to go to the tools, then you have to see whether you are getting this or no. Okay, port, then COM3, that is the Arduino UNO. Now the third indicator is the upload complete message, which is displayed in the Arduino IDE after a program is successfully transferred to the board. Okay, once you write the program, that is, once you write the sketch, then you need to upload the program to the computer. So you should get it as upload complete. Now then only it is successfully transferred to the board. So during this upload process, the TX, okay, here TX and RX, these that is the transmit and the receive LEDs will blink. Okay, here you will be having two LEDs, transmit and receive. These should blink whenever you upload a program. It means that the computer is receiving the program. Okay, that is, these should blink, showing that the data is being exchanged between the computer and the Arduino UNO. Okay, transmit is that the computer, that is, the program is being, or the data is being transferred from the computer to the Arduino, and receive is the data, it has been transmitted from the Arduino to the computer or your system or any other device. Now after uploading the blink example, the built-in LED connected to the digital pin 13, okay, that is L. Okay, it is shown as L. This one, this will continuously blinks with the pattern of 1 second on and 1 second off, confirming that the microcontroller is executing the uploaded program correctly. Okay, so this will blink on and off, pin number 13. Okay, here on, off, on and off for 1 second. Now next, finally, if the sketch uses the serial begin, so if it uses the serial begin and serial print ln, the serial monitor will display the messages on sensor readings, confirming that the serial communication is functioning properly. Then the checklist here. Okay, here you can see the checklist. So here this will summarize, this summarizes all the indicators, that is, whether power is available, the correct board and the COM port are selected or no, and then the upload is successful or no, and also the LEDs behave as expected and serial communication works correctly. So together these signs confirm that the Arduino UNO is fully operational and ready for developing electronic, embedded and IoT projects. Okay. Next, you have troubleshooting tips for Arduino. So here, here we have a list of frequently occurring issues and their possible causes and practical solutions to help users quickly identify and resolve the hardware or software problems. So the first issue is the when the power LED is off. Okay, so this usually means that the Arduino board is not receiving the power. So the recommended solutions here, it includes to check the USB cable, then trying another USB port or using a different USB cable and ensuring that the computer or external power adapter is working correctly. Now when it is powered properly, the LED will be on. Okay, that is here the LED will be on and it should glow continuously. Fine. Then the second problem is when the port, that is when the COM port, okay, it is not detected. This may occur due to like missing USB drivers or a faulty USB connection. Now here user should, what they have to do, user should install the appropriate USB driver such as the CH340 driver for compatible boards, or use the automatically installed Atmega 16U2 driver for official Arduino UNO boards. Then reconnect the USB cable and check tools port. Okay, so they have to check the tools, then they have to check whether the port option is appearing or no in the Arduino IDE, and then they can resolve the issue. Here you can see you have to check like this. You have to go to the port, you have to see whether the COM3 Arduino UNO is appearing or no. Then if the upload fails, user should verify that the correct board Arduino UNO is selected under the tools, then board, Arduino AVR boards, then Arduino UNO, and ensure that the correct COM port is chosen. And then a stable connection is also essential for successful uploading. Another common issue is when the built-in LED, that is the pin 13, does not blink after uploading the blink example. Now here in this case the user should, what they have to do, they have to upload the blink sketch again, that is they have to re-upload the blink example, then press the reset button on the board and verify all the connections. Then a proper functioning board should blink the LED with a 1 second on and off pattern. Okay, and here you have one more, that is the port busy error, which occurs when another application is using the same COM port. That is so here you have to, what you have to do, you have to close the serial monitor or other serial communication software such as such as you have PUTTY, that is putty, then Terra term or cool term. Usually these will resolve the problems. Okay, here you have PUTTY putty, Terra term, then cool term. Okay, then after that you have to again try uploading the program. Now finally here the general tips are, you have to always use a good quality USB cable, then installing the correct drivers and keeping the Arduino IDE updated. So these troubleshooting steps helps ensure reliable communication between the computer and the Arduino UNO, and these will allow the programs to be uploaded and executed successfully. Now here this is a simple flow, that is you have to use a laptop with Arduino IDE installed, laptop or any other system. Then you have to connect the USB cable from laptop to Arduino UNO, and third step is USB cable connected to the Arduino UNO. You have to check whether it is connected properly or no. Then you have to check on the board that once we connect the system using a cable, then whether the LED is glowing continuously or no. After that you have to select board and COM port. You have to go to tools, board, Arduino AVR boards, Arduino UNO. Then you have to select the correct COM port, that is the COM3 Arduino UNO. Then you have to upload your blink program. Okay, so here click verify. Then you have to click on verify. If it is correct, then it will verify. Okay, then you have to upload the blink program. After that you have to see whether pin 13 LED is blinking or no. Fine, that is once you upload the program, you have to check whether on the Arduino board whether this is blinking or no. Okay, that is the built-in LED on pin 13 blinks on for 1 second and off for 1 second continuously. So last step is Arduino is working successfully. If this is working up to 7th step, if it is working correctly, then it means that your Arduino UNO is working perfectly. So here this is about the Arduino UNO signs that UNO is your Arduino UNO is working, and troubleshooting tips. Thank you.